Bitcoin is making itself ready for a massive breakout, alongside with the fact that in approximately 10 hours, we will be getting our rate hike decision and also the FOMC meeting. So this will be causing a lot of volatility in towards the Bitcoin price. So definitely today's price action will be very important to watch. So without further ado, let's first of all, as always, have a look in towards the imminent short term. So first of all, we can clearly be seeing that on the 1 hourly time frame, we are forming an upward sloping trend line and as well this resistance level on the top side. And these levels are right now squeezing the Bitcoin price in towards an ascending triangle, and definitely a breakout is going to be imminent today from of this triangle. And what will be very interesting in my opinion of this pattern is going to be that if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, at that moment we are also going to be breaking above this resistance level. And in the case that we are going to be breaking above this resistance level, well, then definitely we are headed in towards our next resistance level, which is going to be this green box. Now also on the other side, if we are going to be breaking this one towards the downside, we can be expecting a pretty severe rejection from of this resistance level, and then we are just headed back towards the downside. So pretty easy. This pattern is really the pattern to watch right now in the Bitcoin chart, as well as many people are right now having a look in towards this chart and are right now saying that this fractal is going to be repeated and that we are going to be seeing this massive pump right now straight away towards the 31k level. But I just do not see this happening, and as I've been saying for the past couple of days, I just think that we are going to be chopping around before actually headed towards the upside. I think we are going to be trapping a lot of Bitcoin traders inside of this consolidation, and then finally in the end of the day, we are going to be once again breaking towards the upside, but not right now. So of course, this triangle pattern is going to be one of the most important things to watch right now. But also, we are about to get our FOMC meeting and our interest rate decision. And this will pretty much decide in which direction we are probably going to be trading in towards. And in the end of the day, the interest rate decision is not going to be very special. Of course, it is already widely known that there is a 99% chance that the Fed will continue to break its interest rate hikes. So pretty much nothing will be happening with the interest rates. So during the interest rate decision, probably we are not going to be seeing a lot of volatility towards the Bitcoin chart, but what is really going to be spiking up the volatility is going to be what Jerome Powell has to say. And well, if he is just going to be talking about what he usually always says during these meetings, well, probably as well, the Bitcoin price will not do anything all too special. But if he is going to be talking a little bit more with a bullish tonality, definitely we can be seeing, just like previous time around, right here, another pump towards the upside being created. So in the end of the day, the most important thing right here today is going to be what Jerome Powell has to say. And if you do want to be up to date about that exactly, be sure to be following me on Twitter and also join my free Telegram channel right here to stay up to date exactly about that. Now, what is actually very interesting is that at the beginning of this year, we all of the time saw that during these FOMC meetings, we were having a lot of bearish pressure towards the downside. But right now it is kind of flipping, as you can be seeing right here. We did not have a lot of bearish continuation right here. Yeah, we did have a little bit of bearish continuation, but right here we pumped towards the upside. And right here we once again just consolidated a little bit. And right now, once again, we are pumping in towards this FOMC meeting. So it is going to be very interesting because we can definitely see a shift of this trend. First of all, at the beginning of this year, it was very bearish, but right now it is getting more and more bullish. So definitely a shift in the trend right here. That is looking very good. But one thing is for sure, maybe in the imminent short term, I'm just a little bit more cautious because everyone is getting bullish right here. Because of this chart, I'm just getting a little bit more cautious. But one thing is for sure, that in the longer term, I am very bullish on the Bitcoin price right now. We are perfectly bouncing from our support levels and we perfectly gotten bullish at exactly these lows right here. And for the longer term, the Bitcoin charts are looking so bullish and a massive move is about to come. So that is very, very important to keep in mind. In the shorter term, definitely be a little bit more cautious and just watch this pattern. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.